Hello everybody, Benvindo, Kwaba. Welcome to my channel Plan and Proceed. Today we are in Coimbra, a city where history meets students' life. Let's explore and see what it got for us. See you.
Walking through the old streets of Coimbra was such a nice experience. The old buildings and quiet streets gave the city a special charm. It felt peaceful, simple, and full of history. Every corner had something beautiful to notice. Finding a soup festival was such an unexpected surprise. The place was full of good energy, nice smells, and people enjoying warm bowls of soup together. It felt cozy and lively at the same time. Sometimes the best parts of the days are the ones you never plan.
Peugeot 19VD 23, Peugeot. É a favor de retirar. Obrigado.
Onde for, você bate.
Você comprou?
Não.
Estava no shopping.
Só olhar.
Você escolhia ver tudo e depois escolhíamos.
Comprou coisa. Só de água, é?
Right in the heart of Coimbra stands one of the most important places in Portuguese history, Monastery of Santa Cruz. At first glance, it's beautiful, but what lies inside is even more powerful. As you walk through these giant doors, you are not just entering a church, you are stepping into the birthplace of a nation. Every detail here tells a story, from the carvings to the silence that fills the space. This is where Portugal's first king, Alonso I of Portugal is buried, alongside his successor, Sancho I of Portugal. It's not just history you feel here, it's legacy. The streets here feels they haven't changed in centuries. Everything is slower, more relaxed. You don't rush in a place like this, you just take it in. This doesn't even look like a church. It feels more like a fortress standing in the middle of Coimbra. Built in the 12th century, this is one of the oldest buildings in the city. Back then, it wasn't just a place of worship. It also had to be defended. This cathedral is also connected to Cesnando Davis, one of the key figures who helped shape Coimbra long before Portugal even existed. The University of Coimbra stands high above the city, full of history and tradition. This is one of the oldest universities in Europe, and honestly, it feels like stepping into another world. had to speed up the vlog because of the rain. It was a bit too strong, but I still wanted to capture the feeling of the day. Even in the rush, every moment were too good not to share. At the Botanical Garden of the University of Coimbra, everything felt calm and green. Even with the rain starting to fall, the paths were quiet. The trees felt older somehow, and the place had this peaceful, hidden away feeling. It was a short visit, but really beautiful. What? If you are visiting Portugal, don't skip this city. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next adventure. Ciao.